everyone, welcome to Quarantine Kitchen. I hope you're well. Today we're making a really simple dish from Jamaica called rice and peas. It's actually rice and kidney beans and some very simple herbs. So our ingredients for this recipe are 2 cups of rice, 1 cup of coconut milk, or like 1 tin of coconut milk, and if you want to you can halve those 2 quantities to make less. A tablespoonful of thyme. I've got some frozen chopped thyme, but dry thyme is fine. Some salt, just like a teaspoon of salt, tin of kidney beans, 1 spring onion, and a couple of cloves of garlic, as many as you like. This makes quite a lot of rice and peas. I was actually eating this for days, so if it's just one person, I would suggest definitely just halve it. And we are adding coconut milk, kidney beans. Now, I saw a recipe for this that said to put the whole tin of kidney beans in, including the liquid. But I'm here to tell you from bitter experience that that could lead to some digestive issues. So I would strongly recommend washing the kidney beans, rinsing them until water stops bubbling around them. Hot tip. So we're putting the kidney beans, the coconut milk, that's a teaspoon of thyme and a couple of cloves of minced garlic. Now, I'm using spring onions, but you can also use regular onions. In fact, that might even be better. I'm gonna put half of my spring onions in, maybe a little more than half, and just keep a couple back to sprinkle on top to stir through when we're done. I'm gonna add 2 cups of water and pump that heat right up to bring it all to the boil. Oh, a little bit of salt. Right, that is boiling up very nicely now, and probably steaming up my camera. So now, popping in 2 cups of rice. Now we just reduce the heat a bit and simmer it for 30 minutes. So that's been cooked for about half an hour to 45 minutes, basically just until the rice is nice and soft, and sort of fluff it up with a fork. And I'm going to stick these in as well, just to kind of give it a little bit of extra oomph. That would be a really nice dinner just by itself. Or you could have it with some chicken if you eat chicken, or some tofu if you eat tofu, or like as a side to a curry. I have cooked some veggie sausages, so I'm going to have it with that. I hope you're keeping well. Hit me up with any questions that you have, ingredients that you have that you want a nice recipe for, recipes that you want to know how to make. I'll see you in isolation.